What's up, everybody? Stay tuned if you want to see this crazy haircut. All right, so boom, what up, everybody? Man, we finna get to it. This is a professional soccer player here in the state of Minnesota, and we finna go crazy on this blend. I had to show y'all this video because I feel like these blends that I be giving on him be insane, and showing y'all, you know, that the no guard technique really do work, and I'm actually blending crazy. And this is me showing y'all like it's no Fat Master blade, no custom blade, straight blade from the box. You feel me? Whatever clipper y'all give me, I will show y'all that I could do any haircut in the world, you feel me, without guards. You know what I'm saying? Out the box, factory, ain't no set blades, none of that. You feel me? I'm coming straight pressure with these haircuts. Don't get mad at me because I done mastered the skill of barbering. So now we finna get the alcohol so we can clean out the edge up and make the edge up, you know, dry, clean, so we can come with that crispy original edge up so we can kind of make our stem. You know, to make that stem, you gotta actually prep the edge up so it could just be more easier as the transition go. Hey, like this video, cause Funnyant haircuts is coming around the world. You feel me? Minnesota stand up, Funnyant stand up. If you rocking with the team, let's get it. If you don't like this video, you ugly.
Shout out Funnyant, the best in the world.